guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm here with a very exciting video. I'm super excited to do this. Today I am unboxing my first Boxycharm box. I've never tried Boxycharm. I've watched videos online and YouTube about it, and I've always wanted to try Boxycharm. And I finally decided to try it out. So I just received my first one, and we're going to see what's inside. I haven't even, I just took the tab off. So, and this is as far as I've seen, just like this. So, alright, there's a little card. Let's see. Some coupons, that's always good. So the theme for July is road tripping. It's got all this stuff in here. Can you tell how excited I am? I'm really excited. I also ordered Birchbox, but that's coming next week, so yeah. Alright, what are you? This is the Dr. Brandt's Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So that looks cool. Let me read what it says about it. So this retails for $42. I think this is full size. Nice. Alright, what's next? It's in this little box. This is from Note Cosmetics, and it's their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and it retails for $11.99. It's in the color Desert Rose. This is the packaging. I really like the packaging. It's really sleek, really nice. Ooh. This is so cute. I'm trying not to blind you. That's the color. It's a gorgeous peachy pink. It's really smooth and creamy too. Looks super pretty. And then it comes with a little brush underneath, which is actually super soft. Everything in here is super hot, so I don't want to mess with it too much because it was in my mailbox and I just got home, so. Alright, what's next? What is this? Okay, this is from Cella Beauty, and it's an eyebrow cream, and it retails for $26. Nice. I've not heard of the last two brands. I haven't heard of the last two brands. I've heard of Dr. Brandt. I've tried a couple products from them, but ooh. Comes with a brush on one side. And this must be the product that you dip into on the other. Nice. Excited to try that. That retails for $26 if I didn't say that. And then we have a mascara. This is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I love the packaging of this. I really like mascaras that come in a tube like this. I just think they're really cool. Let's look at the wand. Oh, that's a nice wand. Not really worked with the wand that shape. It's nice. I like it. I don't know why, but I like to smell different products. I'm weird. I'm sorry. So the last thing we have is an eyeshadow collection. And this is from Crown Brush. And this is the Fuego eyeshadow collection. And it retails for $29.99. Ooh. So packaging. Got it being opened. Bless you. Really sleek packaging, really nice. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. These are really big shadows as well. So nice. I'm so excited to try those. I want to swatch a few. Oh my gosh, I'm in love already and I haven't even tried it. Look at those shades. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Wow. So excited to play with that. I feel like this would be a really good palette for fall. Oh my gosh, I love these. I'm so excited to play around with these products and try them out. I really like what I got. They seem like really nice things. And yeah, if you guys think I should do another what is this? Boxycharm. I had Birchbox in my head because that's what I'm getting next week. If you guys want me to do another one of these, let me know and I will definitely do that for you guys. I think I might try this for a little while. I like to try subscription boxes for at least a couple months before I decide whether I really like them or not, because sometimes they could be a really good month, sometimes it could be a crappy month, and it varies. But yeah, so far I really like the things I got. If you guys would like me to, I can try these out and then come back in a week or two and tell you guys what I think of the products. I might do that. And yeah, but I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you in my Saturday's video. Bye guys!